Have you also heard about the 20% tax on the remittances which you are going to transfer in the UAE? So today we're gonna talk about that. Do you know that there is a new tax proposal by the Indian government which is recently made, where an Indian has to pay 20% tax on the international money which you will be going to transfer in the UAE for any kind of purpose? You know why? As per the Indian government, Indians are some of the most prominent foreign investors in the UAE and especially in Dubai real estate. And India is now facing a 20% tax on investment, which was previously only 5%. So it means that 20% of your transaction which you will make, you have to pay to the government of India. So this tax is especially applicable on the real estate, foreign stock, mutual funds, cryptocurrency, or collecting art and the other high value items. But I have created a guide for a secure and safe investment. I'm gonna give you a very nice solution for this, and on the top of that, the benefit for you is bigger. You will save your money as much as possible. But all of this information I will give you if you will contact me personally. I have this offer for the very limited time, so contact me right now. I'm gonna give my WhatsApp number on the given screen. If you are locally based in the UAE, you can call me anytime, or if you are based in India, you can drop me a WhatsApp at any time. I will be happy to answer all of your questions regarding this thing. I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.